Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE announces free training and capacity building programs for teachers of information technology based on newly developed manuals. CBSE to conduct sessions across multiple cities from 27 April to 9 May, allowing IT and tech subject teachers to register online, with no participation fee or travelling allowance and dearness allowance, and queries directed to the Department of Skill Education. For the complete schedule, refer to the CBSE official circular. CBSE to conduct 4 one-day offline capacity building programs in Delhi for skill subjects, agriculture on 28 April and horticulture on 29 April at Centre for Protected Cultivation Technology, ICAR, IARI, followed by front office operation at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University and healthcare at Guru Nanak Public School, Punjabi Bagh, on 30th April 2026, mandatory for teachers, registration open till April 26 to 28 respectively, no participation fee or travelling allowance and dearness allowance. Certificates after participation. Delhi government draft EV policy proposes mandatory electrification of school bus fleets, requiring all government-aided and private schools in Delhi to transition 10% of owned, leased, or hired buses to electric within 2 years of notification, increasing to 20% by year 3 and 30% by 31st March 2030, with the Education Department overseeing compliance and integration into school recognition norms. Unaided Private Schools Association says over 200 private schools in Lucknow will not force parents to buy books or stationery from specific shops, announces compliance with the Uttar Pradesh Self-Financed Independent Schools Fee Regulation Act 2018 with 2026 to 27 fee hike fixed at 7.5%, promises fewer book changes for CBSE and ICSE schools, and plans to urge the government to reduce 18% GST on paper used for school-related items, says management of UPSA. Odisha CM announces development of around 800 schools as model educational institutions under PM Shri, featuring smart classrooms, digital education, and modern infrastructure to promote NEP 2020 aligned learning across the state. Supreme Court of India issues notices to centre, states, and union territories on PIL seeking implementation of the Right to Education Act 2009 and the National Education Policy 2020, raising concerns over free education for the 6 to 14 age group, 25% EWS quota in private schools, and uniform NEP rollout across the country. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.